Pathfinder Medical is developing a novel electronic catheter guidance system that allows clinicians to connect blood vessels together in a minimally invasive way. The platform technology has a variety of uses, but ultimately allows a clinician to connect blood vessels and bypass blockages in the leg, or connect blood vessels and create an access site for haemodialysis treatment. The guidance technology allows for very low cost, very small catheters to be placed in blood vessels positioned accurately, and then connect them with off-the-shelf commercially available stent graft. Overall, the goal is to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs for the healthcare system overall. Dr. Dickinson and myself spun out the company from the bioengineering department at Imperial College back in October 2014. And we raised around 1.2 million in grant funding from the NIHR and Innovate UK, and then grew the team and also raised our seed round, which included Deep Bridge Capital, in 2016 after we got a UK patent. And then we completed our preclinical trials, raised our Series A in 2017, which included again Deep Bridge Capital and a VC from the US, Jules Co. And with that, we've been able to grow our very talented full-time team to 8. Our first device that we're developing and that we hope to see market and FDA approved by the end of the year is the ePath catheter system. This is a 2-catheter system that allows clinicians to treat total chronic occlusions, usually in the leg, which basically involves an artery that is completely blocked and there's no more blood flow going to the leg. Our catheter system can be used to bypass this blockage, allowing the clinician to accurately go outside of the vessel, the main lumen of the artery, and then accurately be guided back into the true lumen of the artery, allowing then for a stent to be put in place to create a bypass shunt and restore blood flow to the foot. So the electronic guidance system itself tells the clinician very intuitively exactly how these catheters are positioned within the vessel, and making sure that the connections and the crossings are done very safely and quickly and easily. One of the most significant and costly growing worldwide epidemics is the 422 million people suffering from diabetes. And diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure, resulting in about 2.8 million patients on hemodialysis treatment. Additionally, diabetes is a leading cause for peripheral arterial disease, which involves blockages in the blood vessels of the legs typically. And this affects around 200 million patients globally. But currently, there are about 60,000 chronic total occlusion procedures performed in the US and EU, and this is the target market that we're looking to help initially. We are currently working on manufacturing and testing the clinical devices. Our goal is to start our first-in-man clinical trials within the NHS by early 2019. The ePath system is a platform technology with multiple uses. And we'll be working in the next couple of years to develop our product and our IP portfolio to address issues such as vascular access creation for hemodialysis and any other minimally invasive bypass procedures. We'll be working with key opinion leaders to run larger clinical trials to show the efficacy and safety of this technology as well. So we think there's a lot of synergy with a lot of the larger medtechs out there where their product portfolio includes stents, for example, and our platform system can allow them to deploy those stents in novel ways and help more patients. So we really think that there's a potential for an acquisition that would really benefit both companies in the future.